Informal language. Spice up your personal emails and letters. Hello, language learners. In today's video, we'll dive into the world of informal language and how to use it effectively in your personal emails and letters. Informal language is a key part of our daily communication, and it plays a significant role in establishing connections with others. So, buckle up and get ready to add some color and personality to your writing. When we say informal language, we're talking about the words and phrases we use in casual, relaxed settings. It's the kind of language we use when we're communicating with friends, family members, or people we're comfortable with. It's full of contractions like I'm, it's, and don't, and it often includes slang, idioms, colloquialisms, and casual phrases that aren't typically used in formal writing. Informal language can make your writing feel more personal and engaging. When you're writing a personal email or letter, your goal is often to connect with the recipient on a deeper level. By using informal language, you can show your personality, make the recipient feel more comfortable, and create a more conversational tone. Here are some key features of informal language you can start using today. 1. Contractions. In informal writing, we often use contractions like I'm instead of I am, or we've instead of we have. 2. Colloquialisms and slang. These are words or phrases that are used in everyday conversation but aren't typically found in formal writing. For example, phrases like hang out or catch up. 3. Personal pronouns. Using words like I, you, we, and us makes your writing feel more direct and personal. 4. Exclamatory sentences. Don't shy away from showing excitement or emotion. It's totally okay to use exclamation marks in informal writing. 5. Shorter sentences and paragraphs. This can make your writing feel more casual and easier to read. Let's look at an example. A formal email might start like this. Dear Mr. Smith, I hope this message finds you well. But an informal email could start like this. Hey John, hope you're doing great. We've covered a lot today, and I hope you found this video on using informal language helpful. Remember, informal language is all about making your writing more personal, engaging, and conversational. So, next time you write a personal email or letter, don't be afraid to let your personality shine through your words. Happy writing, everyone!